Mastering the Ayanokoji Attitude, a guiding light to success. Meet Ayanokoji, a character from the popular anime classroom of the elite, known for his exceptional intelligence, emotional control, and strategic thinking. Ayanokoji's attitude can be a key to personal and professional success. Let's dive in to gain insight. Begin with emotional control, the first principle of the Ayanokoji attitude. By not allowing emotions to cloud judgment, one can make rational decisions. This approach enables us to handle stressful situations efficiently, leading to successful outcomes. Being observant, the second principle, involves paying attention to your surroundings. Like Ayanokoji, use these observations to understand situations better. This can serve as a powerful tool in decision-making processes, aiding in sound judgment and precise actions. The third principle involves strategic thinking. Ayanokoji's decisions are always well thought through. Strategic thinking encourages you to plan ahead, foreseeing potential challenges and opportunities. This mindset is essential in achieving long-term goals. The fourth principle is patience. Ayanokoji always waits for the perfect moment to act. By mastering patience, you can avoid rash decisions and actions that might lead to undesirable outcomes. Patience can be the key to success. The fifth principle, adaptability, is vital in today's rapidly changing world. Being flexible and embracing change allows you to leverage new opportunities. Like Ayanokoji, use adaptability as a strength to navigate through demanding situations. The sixth principle holds self-improvement in high regard. Ayanokoji believes in continuous learning to grow. Embrace this mindset, learning from both successes and failures to become a better version of yourself. The seventh principle advocates for calculated risks. Ayanokoji takes risks only after weighing pros and cons. Adopting a similar approach in life can lead to breakthroughs while minimizing potential negative impacts. The ninth principle is about resilience. Ayanokoji never gives up, no matter the circumstances. Cultivate this resilience in your life, and you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles that stand in your path. The 10th and final principle is about self-reliance. Ayanokoji primarily depends on his own abilities. Cultivate self-reliance to step out of your comfort zone and make independent decisions. Mastering these 10 principles of the Ayanokoji attitude can be transformative. They provide a blueprint for personal and professional success. Success isn't guaranteed, but adopting these principles can increase your odds significantly. The Ayanokoji attitude doesn't develop overnight. It requires dedication, practice, and patience. Start small, perhaps by focusing on one or two principles, and gradually incorporate more as you grow. Embrace the Ayanokoji attitude, and you'll likely see how it positively affects your life. You'll find yourself more in control, resilient, and adaptable, all vital traits for success. As Ayanokoji shows us, with the right attitude, we can navigate life's challenges and come out on top. So start your journey towards mastering the Ayanokoji attitude today, and set yourself on the path to success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Make that step today by adopting the Ayanokoji attitude and witness the transformative power it can have in your life.